Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can zoom in and zoom out on Discord PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my PC and first of all, I'm going to go to my Discord application. And here I'm going to show you how we can zoom in and zoom out the Discord screen. If you want to zoom in guys or to make your screen bigger, you can press Control and the plus icon on your keyboard just like this. Okay, and if you want to zoom out, you can simply press the Control and minus like this. To make it smaller, you can use minus, and to make it bigger, you can use plus icon on your keyboard. That's easy, right? We just need to use our keyboard to zoom in or zoom out on our Discord screen. And okay guys, that's all the way to zoom in and zoom out on Discord PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!